just in case. So you guys have to hit OK.
Oh, all right.
Okay, we are streaming live. Hello, BCHIP. How
Hello
are you?
again. How are you doing today?
Good. Happy National Immunization Month. Immunization Awareness Month, actually. So,
Yes.
Becky and Hannah, I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to introduce yourselves and share all about the exciting happenings that are going on at BCHIP for this very special month for you guys, and also why it's important to you. So go ahead.
Awesome. So I'm Hannah Myers. I'm the outreach coordinator here at BCHIP, and National Immunization Awareness Month has become really important to me, mostly because I just had a son, and so I think it's super important for people to get vaccinated and kind of know why we're doing the work that we're doing. And I'll kind of pass it off to Becky and let her explain a little bit.
Hello. So my name's Becky Connor. I am the Public Health Program Manager here at BCHIP. I'm relatively new to BCHIP, but enjoying it so far. Immunization Awareness Month is a big event for the CDC. So BCHIP has quite a few events coming up in August to promote immunizations in different parts of Bucks County and within different populations. This week we have our very first Beyond the Baby Shower event, which is to promote maternal and infant immunizations, as well as maternal and infant health as well. At a national immunization conference, a lot of immunization coalitions do these events to really kind of give moms information on immunizations before the baby is born. It seems that many mothers make that decision if they're going to vaccinate or not before the baby's actually born. So trying to get to them before that.
Okay.
We're really excited about our VFC clinics, our vaccines for children clinics that we are doing with some of the school districts in Bucks County. Today, we are actually going to Morrisville School District with our pharmacy partner at Springfield Pharmacy to do catch-up vaccines and Pennsylvania school-required vaccines for kids in that district. And then later this month, we're going to be at Quakertown School District doing the same thing. And we're actually going to be at the intermediate unit, so doing the younger kids too. They have locations all throughout the county, so we picked one in Upper Bucks and one in Lower Bucks. So they have 2 locations for that. And then in the middle of the month, the Grange Fair happens here in the Newtown area. So we will be there on Thursday, August 15th from 4 to 7 with the Bucks County Department of Health to do adult immunizations. So that's a free mobile clinic. People just need to bring their insurance card. Giant Pharmacy, which is one of our partners, will be there to do COVID, flu, RSV, shingles, pneumonia, and they can do Tdap as well. And then finally, we are going to, not a vaccine clinic, but more of an information session at Family Services. Their Strengthening Families program has a community resource day that is focusing on their Spanish-speaking population. So we are going to go to that resource day and provide all of our vaccine information, but have the information be in Spanish for those families. And then after that, after they've gotten to sit with that information for a little bit, we will actually go back and bring a clinic to them so they can get vaccinated if they would like.
Right.
So
you
it's
guys
busy
are going
this
to be
month.
busy.
Yeah.
August is busy.
August, September, and October are busy. She just hit August.
That's just August.
Everyone else is on vacation, getting ready for back to school, and you guys are out there pounding the pavement. That's awesome. So you said that you had a specific program for moms, so that because they make decisions before the baby's born, and we all know Hannah has just had this adorable little son. So one of the things that I know that's out there that I struggled with was, who do you talk to get really good information about vaccinations? Will you guys be providing that information at all of these events as well?
So I honestly, and I can let Becky speak. We'll absolutely have information on that. But I think the biggest person to talk to is your primary care doctor. I know for me, that is the person that I call anytime I have any question with my
As
kid.
a new mom, you're probably like this.
And quite honestly, I also talk to mom friends all the time and kind of get their perspective. So I think us having this beyond the baby shower too kind of lets you get a group of people who hopefully have some similar interests and want to learn the same thing as you. But
Yeah,
hope
and
that
that's
answers
a
your
great idea. Get information and just don't go to like one source for all your information on vaccines. You really have to go to the pediatrician. Why is my sorry about that? You really have to go to the pediatrician that you trust with the health of your child and talk to them on a regular basis. I know I did. I have 3 daughters, so I did several times as new vaccines were coming on the market, and you have every right to question what's going on as long as you're making informed decisions and not with someone you meet on a street corner, unless they're BCHIP, right? I mean,
yeah.
you need
And
BCHIP.
then and then if you see us in one of these, I'll just
Ask
Right.
away.
Then and then the other thing that you guys said that was so interesting was the adult. I think you called it. Did you call it a catch-up clinic, or was that one of the kids? But anyway, the
For the
adult
kids.
immunization program that you have has been expanded, showing this need out there for people to not forget that the adults also need vaccines. I think that was one of the things that came out of COVID, so nicely came out of COVID also, that it's not just about COVID that's coming up, which is raging back from what I hear with a new vaccine for the fall, but it's flu, it's RSV, it's shingles, it's all of those things that we can prevent.
Yes, people forget. I think a lot of adults forget that they need routine vaccinations. You think you get them all when you're a child and then you're good to go. But as we get older, there are vaccines that come up that are routine and not just the seasonal ones like COVID and flu, pneumonia, shingles. Those are all preventable through vaccination.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to have information on all of these great events that you guys are going to. I'm sure your cars are stuffed.
yes,
Yep.
always stuff.
That's true. But your cars are stuffed and ready to go, and we'll be sharing this information on Facebook and your other profiles as they come about. So the big message here is, if you don't have good information and or you don't have access, call the folks at BCHIP. They can tell you where to go or where they'll be. And just go
Exactly.
over
Yep,
to
we
the
are all over the county. So give us a call if you need anything, need any vaccine information.
yeah. And where are you guys this afternoon?
Morrisville this afternoon.
Morrisville. Okay, so again, all that information will be up on the Facebook page. Guys, thank you for your time, spending time with me. You both did great, and we will see the BCHIP team in 2 weeks.
Awesome.
Great. Thanks,
Thanks. You guys
Jen.
have a great day.